users.
Yes.
So what's the TPS? What's the transaction per second as Ducatus is having, or like on to scaling to? If you have like
This
the
is-
technical difficulty. Powered by Desi Crypto.
I am not the technical person, I am the salesperson, so I cannot give you a qualified answer on that. What I can tell you is we have our own wallet, as I said. Transactions are extremely fast. Extremely quick, very low transaction fees. That's what we are focusing on. Our tools have to be simple, convenient, fast, and secure. These are the four characteristics that are very important to us, and so all our tokenomics and all the technical aspects, we try to be always within the best, and that is our focus.
So can anyone, like any user base, can any community user also mine this token, or they have the only option to buy it on the centralized or decentralized exchange?
So our token, our coins, because we have two coins, they are already pre-mined. Okay. We have chosen this approach right at the beginning when we started our activities. So what people can do, they can participate in the trading, in the transaction fees. They can validate transactions. We have created a very nice hardware product. It's a slave node, I would call it. It's smaller than a smartphone. It's a plug and earn solution. You buy it, you plug it into your socket at home, and you start earning with the transaction fees. This is what we are offering. But we do not mine our coin, as all our coins are already pre-mined.
Okay. So what does this device do? Because that sounds really interesting. That you could because most of the people, they choose word to communicate like the miners, but the actual word is the validator nodes that
exactly.
So,
Exactly.
So, and you already said about that this device helps you validate the transactions.
It is a validator.
So it's a validator node. You just have to plug in.
Yeah.
So all of the transactions fees which would be divided into all those validator nodes. Like,
so you are paid a reward for being available in the network, in the node network. Okay, it's not necessarily your device who needs to do the transaction, which needs to do the transaction. The fact that you purchase a validator, you connect it with your electricity at home, you connect it to your Wi-Fi, you create your private key, and you start immediately receiving daily rewards based on the type of the product that you are purchasing. We call this product X-Gen Node. We just launched them. We have currently produced the first 12 products, devices.
Yes.
We are testing them. They are working nicely, so we can go into production and into sales. And the daily rewards start at $1.33 for the basic product, and they go up to $5.99 for the Pro.
okay.
So this will be something I think very interesting. People love that because it's an easy access.
Easy access as well as okay, so we try to cover like because that would be great, because rather than all the technical stuff, people are always believe in something that they can touch or feel. So that gives them the real hardware that they are actually doing some mining, and because it's a very really nice and interesting concept. And you already answered that it's like only they continue this. You are continuing this like from like a couple of weeks or months, like when you did introduce, because my next question would be, what are your sales figures, like how many of the units have been sold? But you already answered.
I can give you an answer on that. We introduced a pre-launch last year in our community, and we already pre-sold 1,000 units, which is not big, but it's a good start, and we are happy about that. Now we are going into the production of our first lot of these devices to deliver the ones that have already been purchased, and and then we start selling the XGen nodes. We will sell them to wholesalers also, and we will sell them online through a website that has already been created, and people can purchase easily online with their credit card.
Who are these 1000? Like they are the main players. Like when we, because if we talk about the devices that we use in crypto or in the blockchain world, they are mostly like ledger wallets or the SafePal hardware wallets. So there are there are websites, there are some of the emerging players. So they want to introduce like digital analog, like for the Bitcoin, that it shows the price. So these are the players that they have ordered you like 1000 units, or who are those people?
These are people from our community. So what we have been doing for the last 6 years since we started, we have immediately started a community marketing. So we have created a community of more than 120,000 people all over the world in more than 170 something or 80 countries. So we are all over the world. Obviously there are countries where we are more present, such as Italy, Germany, Austria, Vietnam, Oman. These are countries where we already have a nice community, and these 1000 pieces have been purchased by our community members, people like you and me.
So they have already paid the amount, and they believe in you that you are going to produce and give it to them.
Absolutely, because we deliver, and our community is a very loyal community. They know that we are hardworking people, that we have a company philosophy of sharing everything, every profit that we do, we want to share with our community. So we we always offer opportunities of participating or making them participate in what we earn as a company.
So like a lot of things like I have never studied or heard before, because you are, I think it's the first time that Ducatus is focusing marketing level at India, or like?
Yes. We obviously India, as I said earlier in my presentation, is a country to look at. It's the biggest growing economy right now, and it's a huge country. People are genuinely interested in cryptocurrencies, in blockchain technology. Indian people are very tech savvy, I would say, and this is for us obviously a fantastic new market, and we are planning to be very present here in the future.
Because like this was my I have asked already this question to the Polkadot team, because the Polkadot team also, like a couple of months ago, they were very active in they have never focused on the community side. They were always focused on the developer side as well. So they didn't look out through the Indian community as well, because they didn't think about that the community matters. But as they realize, as the feedback goes back to the team, so they start focusing on the community. They did a couple of multiple events in the Delhi as well as all over the India. The main event was in the Bangalore that we covered last month also. So that's really great to hear, because it's not only about a single blockchain or a single project. A lot of things happening around, and people are focusing on India. So that's a really proud moment, as well as for the community itself, that you should really focus. And it's not about just earning the token or earning the rewards. It's about the building.
It's about growing and building an ecosystem and creating sustainable and long-term opportunities for people all over the world. And obviously India is for us a very interesting market.
Okay. So I think we should wrap up this session, because we have heard a lot of things about Ducatus. Anything last you want to share about something like for the reward for our community members, or anything campaign?
Yes. So 2 things. First of all, subscribe to CryptoWaley. This is very important. And yes, we have launched a nice opportunity today. So we have created a promotion, a competition. So to all of your users, check out on Twitter, look for @DucatusX, which is our Twitter account. You will find all the rules and whatever you have to do to be among the 20 lucky winners of Ducatus X. It's very simple. It's just some information, share, post, comment. So go to @DucatusX on Twitter and you can be the lucky winner of your first Ducatus X. And again, subscribe to CryptoWaley.
Thank you so much once again. I would say that you have shared a lot of things and lot of alpha information and knowledge about the Ducatus platform. That Ducatus platform, or I would say blockchain and token, as well as the device that you are building, a lot of alpha information that you have given to the community as well as our team as well. So we would love to share this with all the team members that we are having, as well as the brands we are collaborating. So thank you once again.
Thank you, it was a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Powered by Desi Crypto.